Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen with Layton Construction, my name is Kevin Wimpy. I'm your representative with UPS and Worldwide Express. Julie Layton has made the decision to move from FedEx, who you guys were with for the past 15 years, over to UPS due to a couple things. Not first and foremost being able to save you guys money, but also to having local support so that if you guys have any questions related to your account, we can get on those immediately. Just being able to give you guys a little bit more attention, the attention actually that your account deserves. So I'm here to make all that happen. Anyway, it's been brought to my attention that some of you have questions on how to prepare shipments with your new solution. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through our process real fast. So you're going to jump over to just any browser and you're going to type in speedship.wwex.com. Let me bring you guys with me real quick. Once you've typed in speedship.wwex.com, it's going to bring you to this page. And your username is going to be Layton Con, Layton Con, short for construction. And your password is shipnow1, with a capital S, everything else lowercase, followed by the number 1. Once you type all that in, you're going to click login and it will pull you up to the home page. Once you get to the home page, let's say some of you guys are creating shipments from a different office other than corporate. If you guys need to change where the shipment is coming from, you can edit the address, okay? And once you click edit, it will allow you to change where the shipment's coming from. If it's important that your name is on the actual shipment so that the person receiving it knows what it is and who it's coming from, rather than having shipping and receiving displayed in the sent from area, you can change this area right here, this yellow one, to your own name or the name of your department. Every yellow field on this is mandatory. So as long as the yellow fields are filled out correctly, everything should go as planned. Once you get down to where is the shipment going, you're going to type in the contact, and we'll use my information just to make it easy. So Kevin Wimpy, Kevin Wimpy. My postal code is 84059. Okay. The contact, Kevin Wimpy, and the city. Notice I typed in the postal code, but it didn't auto-populate the city. So I'm going to have to go in there and click Vineyard. Let's say I just type in the postal code and I don't go ahead and type and select the city, then I'm not going to be able to create the shipment later down the page. All right, so make sure you check the city. After that, you'll do the street address 2048 West, 885 South, and a phone number is mandatory. You may not have one for the person. You could just put yours in there or whatever, it doesn't matter. 592-6519. Okay. And then I'm going to have an option right here. If I'm somebody that you guys ship to a lot, you can save as a new entry. Let's say I was already saved in here as an entry, but my address changed. I could update as new entry. Or sorry, update existing entry. I'm not going to do either here. I'm just going to continue on. Notice the shipment is going to be sent on December 2nd, 2019. You're defaulted to UPS letter. But if you're sending a box or something in custom packaging, go ahead and go to customer packaging. Okay, then you'll be able to enter in the weight and the dimensions. Okay, let's say you're just sending an express envelope, go ahead and ship from UPS letter. Okay, it's automatically defaulted to next day error saver, which is guaranteed next day by 3 p.m. You will have other service options. Next day early AM is something you want to steer clear of. It does cost in the neighborhood of $80 to $100 per shipment. It does guarantee that the shipment gets there the next day by 8 a.m. But let's say somebody shows up to the office the next day at 8 a.m. UPS guarantees it by that time and nobody's there. Well, then you get billed an additional fee because the UPS driver has to return and deliver. So this is for absolute emergencies only. It's an option you want to steer clear of 100%. Next day air is going to guarantee the shipment by 11 a.m. So that's the earliest next available option. And then again, next day air saver is 3 p.m. If you need to send a package ground, anything within 250 miles of the corporate office, you can go ahead and switch to UPS or customer packaging. Once you switch to customer packaging, you'll come down here and you'll have the option to select ground. Ground is guaranteed next PM if you're shipping ground within 250 miles again of the corporate office. So once I've selected the service type, okay, the last couple things I'll have to do are send email notifications, receive confirmation of delivery, all of that stuff. You can go ahead and check there. And then the last thing we'll have you guys do is allocate the shipment. So if you're sending for which department, you'll click this drop down. You got Boise, Arizona, healthcare, Nashville, all that stuff's in there. I'll put one in for marketing. And then you're going to go ahead and have a job number associated with the location that you'll go ahead and enter. Once all that's done, you'll just simply click print, and the label for the shipment will print from your closest available printer. You'll just slide that in the materials sleeve and you're off to the races. Okay, so just click print and you're done. Let's say you need to track a shipment. You can go up here to ship. Here's the drop down, go to shipment history, go ahead and jump into small pack. Once you're in small pack, you simply just find the shipment that you need. You'll click the link. And again, you don't have to copy and paste anything. It just hot links you directly to ups.com, and it tells you the shipment is ready for UPS, or whatever it is you need to know about that particular shipment. So that's where all that is, folks. Let's say you need supplies and you're at the corporate office. Go ahead and go order supplies. Once you've clicked order supplies, it will take you over here, and this is where you can click around to find the different supplies you might need. Let's see. Jumping back into my screen, if I can get it. All right. So what we've seen is pretty easy to use. If you guys have any additional questions, go ahead and reach out, give me a call, and I can walk you guys through this or take any phone calls. For those of you creating shipments out in the field, away from the corporate office, obviously we've got a daily pickup going on right now at corporate. But for you guys that are out in the field and you're using UPS stores, go ahead and print the label off for the package that you're creating, and you can take that into the UPS store. Again, everything with UPS is scan based. So what they'll do is just scan the barcode on the shipment page on the label that you printed off using Speedship. And that will go ahead and pin everything regarding that transaction to the corporate office's account. So all you'll need is that barcode and you're good to go. Yeah. Aside from anything else, if you do need UPS shipping supplies, you can pull those from a UPS store on your next visit. They are free. UPS doesn't charge for using any of their supplies because obviously they just want your shipping business. Any questions outside of that, I can't really think of. So again, I'll make myself available. My cell phone's 801-592-6519. And my email address is kevin.wimpy@wwex.com. Thanks for your time.